Student, I'm Krishna Kumar. Today we start to learn on the topic respiration in humans. In humans, the respiration takes place through the respiratory system. The main organ of respiratory system are nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchioles, lungs, and diaphragm. All these are the parts of the respiratory system in human. So there is not only one organ which help in the respiration. There is the combination of more than two organs which are form the respiratory system, by which the breaking down of the food and produce the energy is takes place by the human beings. The respiration is the process by which the organisms produce the energy with the help of the oxygen by oxidize the food. When we see the different organ here in the diagram, we see the start from the nasal cavity which connect with the oral cavity also and passes through the pharynx, larynx, trachea. Trachea is made up of the cartilage which are ring like structures, so that the windpipe do not collapse and easy to take the oxygen. And the trachea is connected with the bronchi, and finally to the lungs. The lungs is also connected to the number of cavity which trap the air called alveoli. And we see here the alveoli is connected with the number of blood vessels. As we see in the figure, the alveoli as a air cavity connected with the blood vessels. Air enters through the nostrils. When the air is entered, then there is not only the oxygen, there is the mixture of several kinds of components such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, microorganisms. The number of substances are into the air. So when the air is passes through the nostril, the hairs and mucus which are inside the nostrils that trap the dust particles. It then passes through the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and finally enter the lungs. The trachea has rings of cartilage which prevents it from collapsing when there is no air in the trachea. The bronchi divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which ends in tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli is supplied with the blood vessels through which excess of gases takes place. The alveoli helps to increase the surface area for the exchange of gases. And the blood vessels which are connected to the alveoli, that through the blood vessels the blood is flow which contain the hemoglobin that trap the oxygen from the alveoli, that passes from air cavity to the blood by the process of diffusion through the thin membrane. And when the blood traps the oxygen, that carries the oxygen to different part of our body where the oxygen is needed. It carries the oxygen to all cells in our body, top to bottom. And after taking the oxygen up, when the oxygen reaches to the cell, then the oxidation of the food is takes place. Oxidation of food. Oxidation of food means breaking down of food is takes place in the component of carbon dioxide, energy, and water vapor. Then the carbon dioxide which release during the oxidation of food, then the carbon dioxide is again trapped by the bloods and carries it to the lungs. This carbon dioxide is released into lungs, and then through the same passage, through the same path, the carbon dioxide is come out from the lungs. Mechanism of breathing. At first we know that the breathing is the one inhalation and the one exhalation. That means the one inhalation and one exhalation of air is known as one breathing. That means the breathing. So breathing is not the respiration process. Breathing is the small part of the respiration. Very